In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a HP printer with the control panel not working. This happens with the HP Envy 6000 series or 6400 series printer. Press the information button, press and hold it for few seconds. You will see the light will come up on all the buttons. In case that's not happening with your printer, that means your printer is stuck. For that you have to restart it. There is a power button at the back of the printer, so it's a big square button. Press it once for a second and release it. Press and hold it and then release it. So printer switch is off. Restart it, press the power button again. So once you see the main lights are showing up, the display panel should come up automatically. So this way we can fix the problem. You just have to restart it, or you can press and hold the information button until all the lights comes up. That means your printer is working normal. Thanks for watching.